bowl, we're going to whisk together the sugar, the pepper, the cumin, the 5-spice powder, soy sauce, fish sauce, and the oil. Next, we're going to add the minced garlic. To this, we're going to add our chicken thighs. Try to stuff some garlic and marinate under the skin for extra flavor. Cover the chicken with plastic wrap and let it marinate for 12 to 24 hours. In an oven-proof skillet, heat up some oil. At this point, reduce the heat to medium and add the chicken skin side down and fry for about 6 to 8 minutes or until the skin is deep golden brown but not burnt. After 6 to 8 minutes, flip the chicken over and cook the other side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once we're done pan frying the chicken, we're going to remove the excess oil and burnt garlic. Depending on the size of the chicken, we're going to roast them for about 30 to 40 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked, you can remove it from the oven and now you're ready to serve. Tonight I'm serving maca roti with garlic fried rice and tomato slices. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe and comment. Bye!